Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, this is Lupita and I'm coming back at you with a new video. And this is the look that I created today, and today I am going to be showing you how to recreate this look. Okay, so if you like it, just keep on watching, and before you leave, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm just gonna be jumping into the video, and first off, I'm gonna be concealing my eyelids with my Wet n Wild concealer in the color Light Ivory, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my eyelid. And to blend it in, I'm going to be using my finger. I feel like when I use my finger, I actually have a lot more control over like where I'm going to be applying it to, and also it just blends a lot better. And yeah, so to set that in place, I'm going to be using the shade MFEO in the Morphe Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to be applying it with my M441, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid just to set that thing on, girl. Next, I'm going to be applying the shade Pukey from my Morphe Jaclyn palette. And just to let you know, this whole look is created with the Jaclyn palette. It's my go-to palette, so yeah. So right now, I'm just applying that above the crease. This is just my transition color, like my first transition color off, actually, because I used several transition colors in this look. So yeah, you just want to blend it just right above the crease. So next, with my E22, I'm going to be applying the shade Roxanne, and I'm just going to be applying it above the crease as well, and this is my second transition color. Make sure that you start off with like generous amount of eyeshadow and not like go in with like so much, because you don't want it to look like tacky and cakey and weird, and you know, so just make sure that you just build it up as you go, and yeah, just keep on blending. Next, with my M441, I'm gonna go back to it and I'm just gonna try to blend everything and make sure that I don't have any harsh lines, because you know nobody freaking loves them harsh lines, girl. I've seen so many, and no, they do not look pretty at all. Okay, so next I'm gonna be applying the shade Jax, and I'm gonna be using my E22, and I'm gonna be applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid, and I'm just gonna be pushing that color all the way on my crease and also all the way to the inner corner of my eye.
What we do here is go
Next,
back,
guess
back,
what?
back.
I'm gonna be going back with my M441 and just blending that out just to make sure that everything's blended. And yeah. So now with my E18, I'm gonna be using the two shades Chip and Soda Pop, and I'm just gonna be using both together and blending it from the inner corner and the outer corner and up on top of the crease as well. Do you guys hear my sinuses? It is pollen season. I am so sorry. Then I'm gonna be grabbing my E22 and going back to it and just blending it and making sure that everything is blended perfectly. Oh, cause you know, perfection. I really like to use this one in this step because I have more control over it and how I'm going to apply it, especially because the tip of this brush is a lot smaller than the M441. So at this point I realized that the color that I was going to use wasn't going to pick up unless I had a really dark a really dark base. So what I did is I just grabbed the soda pop and I blended it all over my eyelid. And I'm sorry if you could see the blue from the other shade, but I just messed up there, so I just try to go over it with that darker color and then just put it all over my eyelid. Next, getting my M441 again and just making sure that I didn't mess up on the crease, and I'm just trying to blend everything out so that I don't have any harsh lines. You know, you're gonna get tired of them harsh lines, but girl, nobody fucking loves them harsh lines. So keep blending. Next, I am gonna be applying that colored work all over my lid, and I'm gonna be applying it with a flat brush because, you know, I don't know. And I'm just gonna be applying it all over my lid, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but just make sure that you are doing it just on the lid and not all the way to the not all the way up over the crease. After all that, I get the E36 Morphe brush and I go over the crease and I just try to blend everything out just to make sure that you don't see any lines, harsh lines, girl. Next, guess what? I'm gonna be using the Hilster. Oh my god, I thought that said Hitler. I'm just gonna be applying it on my outer corner, and I'm just gonna be trying to blend it to make sure that everything is in place. And I'm pretty sure I go back with another brush, but not at this point. Oh yeah, I do. I go back with my M441 and I make sure that I get all that shit blended. So yeah, the technique here is blend it, girl, blend it. Ay, wey! Ew! Next, with my Morphe 321, I'm going to be applying the color Jacks again, but I'm going to be applying this all over my waterline, and just make sure that you are applying it like really close to the waterline. So at this point, I'm almost done, and I'm gonna be going back with the concealer, and I'm going to be cleaning this up, this mess up, you know. I'm gonna be applying it with a flat brush. This one doesn't really have a name. this is one of my first brushes, and it doesn't even have a brand, so I cannot tell you. Just make sure that it's flat and you have a lot of control over that brush, because you are going to be trying to just clean up the mess and make it look as perfect as you can. Now I'm gonna be applying the Smashbox Always Sharp eyeliner. And with my ink liner by Kat Von D, I'm gonna be creating a marvelous wing, because this bitch likes, no, this bitch loves wings. Not chicken wings. Not chicken wings. So yeah, this is it, girls, and I'm just gonna be popping on some eyelashes and I'm ready to go. So yeah, this is the final look, and if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, people, before you leave. Ciao! Ah!